Hi, this is Andy Bowes, Director of Data and Eligibility at School Food Solutions. Today we're going to be talking about MealTime's Apply Online feature to make sure that you know what your parents will be seeing when they log in to complete an online application. So the URL website link that your families can go to submit their meal application is www.mymealtime.com/apps, APPS. It's the same login, hasn't changed. We encourage you to encourage as many families as you can to complete their application online. It'll save your team a lot of time that they don't have to, scan paper applications. So be sure to share this link wide in, emails, newsletters, and also post it on your school website. We'll also be sharing a parent guide that you can post with the link so that folks know what to do when they are applying. So to complete the online application in MealTime Apply Online, they will need to create an account profile if they don't have one already. If they already have created an account for past years, but don't remember how to log in, they can always click Forgot Password to recover their username or their password. But they do have to log in with a username and a password account on the site. They'll need to also know the name of your school as it's listed in MealTime. And they'll need the first name and ID number, the one that's used in MealTime, for their child or their children who attend your school. And then on top of that, they'll just need the basic information they would need for any application, all their household members, incomes, etc. So what's unique about the online application is that they will have to create an account profile. They will need to know how your school is named in MealTime, and they will need their child's ID number as it's listed in MealTime. The way this works is there's basically a few steps. They need to put in student information. So it starts with, this kind of matches the paper application. So step 1 is listing all the students. And if they attend the school, they'll need to include that student ID number. They'll have an then next they'll list their household information. So all the household members, their income, and the frequency of that income. They'll be able to list all of that just like they would on a paper application. It will ask for some general information like contact info, like their address, phone number. This is also where they have to fill out the social security number part. They can optionally list their race and ethnicity information. This is also where they're going to enter the total number of people in the household to make sure that it matches the number of names they've listed. And then the last step is confirming and submitting. So they'll be able to see a summary of everything they put in the application and then confirm it. So this is an overview of that page. It's going to say they have to actually sign and write their name twice and then click submit. Now, one thing that's good about online applications that you don't get with paper applications is the online application has checks in place as they fill it out. So you can see kind of the red text on these screens here are saying there's required information that's missing. So the application is built to make sure that they fill it out with all the required information and don't leave anything out. So it's built to hopefully make it simpler for everyone so that they get all the information in on the first try. School Food Solutions is here to help with this. So as online applications are submitted, we will be processing them for you. So all the students who have online applications, their data is going to be in the status list that we send you, just like any paper application that you scan to us. So they're going to be included as well. If for some reason a family completed an online application and there's an issue with it that we can't process it, although this is rare, we will let you know. And please let us know if you have any questions at all. Again, the email to contact us is forms, FORMS, at schoolfoodsolutions.org. We also wanted to let you know that MealTime has recently released a new version of their online application, what they call MealTime Apply Online 2.0. It's like a modernized version of the online application. It's easier to use. They don't have to create an account. They don't need to know their student's ID number. It's also just a more mobile-friendly interface, just easier to use in general. There is a cost to switching from the 1.0 version to the 2.0 version. There's a $495 one-time setup fee, and then it's $100 annually for each school site in your network. So this means you no longer have to pay for per application by buying those bundles of 100 or 50 applications. And you will receive an account credit for any unused applications that may be remaining in the current version of MealTime Apply Online 1.0 that you have. So if you're interested in switching from the current version of MealTime Apply Online to MealTime Apply Online 2.0, let us know. We'll get a quote for you. And the setup goes pretty quickly if you sign that quote. So let us know if you're interested in making the switch. You can email us at forms@schoolfoodsolutions.org. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good school year.